Hey there, I'm Andrew. I'm an instructor with Wyzant, and I am happy to help you out with this question. So what this problem really comes down to is counting a large number of items. And if we had enough time, we could do that literally by listing out all of the numbers. But obviously the GRE is a time test, so we don't have time for that. The best way to solve this problem is with a strategy that's called the dash method. And here's how it works. We make a dash for every potential space we have. So in this case, it's a 3-digit number. So we have 1, 2, 3 spaces. 3 digits, 3 spaces we're considering. And what we want to do is count how many possibilities there are for each space and then multiply them together. So I'm going to put times right there and right there. Boom. All right. Let's take a look at the first space. This is a 3-digit positive integer. It's odd. It does not contain the number 5. Okay, so what limitations do we have on that first space? Well, for one thing, if it's a 3-digit integer, it can't begin with 0, right? The number 042 would just be 42. So it has to begin with the numbers 1 through 9, with the exception of 5. Right? So the digits that this number could start with are 1, 2. I'll write these out here. Write them out in a different color, orange maybe. We'd start out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, or 9. It's a 3-digit integer. How many options do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 options for that first digit. How about the second digit? Well, there's no restriction on this at all, except for the number 5. So here we could have 0. We could have 1. We could have 2, 3, 4, not 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. All of those numbers could be the second digit. How many options do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 options there. Boom. And then finally, how about the last space? Well, this one is the most restrictive because remember, it needs to be an odd integer, meaning that it cannot end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let's list the ones that we can use. It could end with 1, sure. It could end with 3. It can't end with 5. It could end with 7, or it could end with 9. So here we only have 4 answer options. Boom. So again, just to recap what I'm doing here, for each digit, I'm counting the total possible numbers in each, including the restrictions. That's the key part, is that you need to include the restrictions when you're doing this. So just to go back over it, the first digit, we have 8 options, because it has to start with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, or 9. The second one, we have 9 options, every digit except for 5. And the third one, we have 4 options. It has to be odd, so it ends with 1, 3, 7, or 9. Last step here, multiply all of these together. 8 times 9 is 72, and 72 times 4, what do we get? 288. So 288 should be the answer to this problem. If you have any other questions on this, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'm happy to answer any more questions you have. Take care.